InterDesign Vine Soap Dispenser Pump and Sponge Caddy. InterDesign, a U.S. company based in Ohio, never runs out of ideas when it comes to organizing your kitchen counters. What they have for you here is a caddy that will also serve as a dish soap dispenser. The InterDesign Vine Soap Dispenser Pump and Sponge Caddy measures 7.25 by 3.25 by 8.25 inches and has been compartmentalized into two. One end has a ring that has been designed to hold a refillable 13-ounce soap dispenser included in the package. The other chamber actually has a rod that divides into two. Therefore, it can hold two sponges or a sponge and a brush. This caddy is made of stainless resistant steel and an attractive bronze finish that gives it another line of protection against rust. The open-air design not only allows this model to make a statement on your counters, but it also keeps your sponges and scrubbers dry and free from mold and mildew. Unfortunately, this caddy's bottom isn't perforated for drainage, thus you might want to squeeze the sponges properly before placing them in the caddy.